Yeah, I agree. You got to have the rope to pull. So
Yeah.
it's got to be done. I mean that's an iconic thing in transportation. You know, you
Yes,
grow up
sir.
as a kid and you do that, and it's almost when you're driving a truck like that, you almost kind of have to go like this and then hit the horn that way
I've done
just
that
to
a
be
couple
like I
times.
gotta do that.
I've done that
When
a
they
couple times. I was like, oh, they ain't gonna see me pumping this horn. I'm about to do
yeah
this.
yeah yeah. I mean when the kids calling for it, you got to be like, ah, yeah, okay,
Right.
fine.